every time we eat food, we, as a human body, we don't actually eat the food. The first thing that eats it are the microbes in our body. We eat the fermentation products. We actually eat the waste products from 10 layers of microbes that are in our gut. Once we get food into our stomach and it enters the beginning parts of our small intestine, where there's a lot of oxygen, it gets broken down by those bacteria into primary metabolites. Basically, they're waste product. Then there's a second set of microbes that take it and break it down into metabolites. And these metabolites get sifted out of the intestine into our body. That's what we eat for food. These metabolites, for example, are small chain fatty acids. The most recognizable are three, are butyric acid, propionic acid, and acetic acid. But there are smaller ones called oxaloacetic acid, pyruvate, and malic acid. And they make up the acids that are actually the food for the main bacteria in our body that provides fuel for every single cell, called the mitochondria. So I call the mitochondria the main bacteria. Believe it or not, it's got evolutionary genes that make it into, it's literally a bacteria. So these compounds are what I'm calling like these limitless compounds. It makes us live a limitless lifestyle, and we don't focus on preparing and nutrifying and getting our body to amass as many of these offensive assets as possible. And this is what I call a proactive wellness model. You know, what we've been doing is, in our lab, we've been replicating this super fermentation model. And we're literally creating these limitless metabolites. And these metabolites are solely there to optimize our longevity.